Dear students, in last class you have seen what is prime number and what is composite number, right? And today we are going to see more about prime numbers and composite numbers. As you know already, what is prime number? A number that is divisible only by itself and 1 is called a prime number. Let me take one example. If for example, when you will take 2 has 2 will be divisible by 1 and 2. That means what? 2 will be divisible only by itself. That means the same number 2 and 1, right? So when 2 is divisible by 1 and 2, it leaves 0 remainder. So 2 is a prime number. Similarly, when you will check with the 5 is also having the two factors 1 and 5. So 5 is a prime number. Similarly 7 also. So in other words, we can say prime numbers have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Give one number, no? That number itself. So this is the definition for prime number. When we move on to composite number, a number that is divisible by a number other than itself and 1. That means what? If for example 6 will be divisible by 1, 6 will be divisible by 6, and also 6 will be divisible by 2 and 3. So a number is divisible by a numbers other than 1 and itself. Those numbers are called composite numbers. So in other words, we can say the numbers having more than two factors are composite numbers. Okay, so here 1 and 6 is a factor and more than two factors. Here you can see 4 factors are there for 6. Okay, so if you are going to find prime numbers and composite numbers from 1 to 100. Here I have written that 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 10 by 10 row and column. So like that you just arrange the numbers. Then after that 1 is neither prime nor composite since it is having only 1 as a factor. Only one factor. So just I put it as a box. Then after that when you will check with the 2 is a prime number. As you know that 2 is having a 1 and the number itself, no? So 2 is a prime number. So just I encircle the number 2. After that, what are the multiples of 2? What are the multiples of 2? 4, 6, 8, 10, right? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 30, 20, 22. So all the multiples of 2 I just crossed out, okay? Crossed out all the multiples of 2. Then I will move on to next number. It's a 3. 3 is not a multiple of 2 and also 3 is a prime number again. So 3 is having two factors. One is the number itself and 1. So I encircle the number 3. 3 is a prime number. And whatever the multiples of 3, right? 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So all the numbers I have crossed out. All the multiples of 3 I have crossed out. Then check with the 4. 4 already we have crossed out. So no problem. Leave that. And then move on to 5. 5 is also a prime number. So I just encircle that. Then after that all the multiples of 5 I crossed out here. So likewise you go with the 6 already cancelled. Then 7 you go. 7 is a prime number. I encircle it. Then all the multiples of 7, that means 14, 21, no? 28. All the numbers I have crossed out till 100. Like that when we'll keep on doing this, you will get, see here I have encircled few numbers from 1 to 100 and then I have crossed out the remaining numbers. So what we can say by using this method, all the encircled numbers are prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So all these encircled numbers are prime numbers and all the crossed out numbers are composite numbers. Try this method in your rough note also. Till 1 to 100 you just write it down and write encircle the prime numbers and crossed out all the multiples of the prime numbers, and finally you can find the prime numbers and composite numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. And one more term you just need to know, twin primes. What is twin prime? Numbers that have a difference of 2. As you know, the twin means what? It's a twin means 2, right? So numbers that have a difference of 2. For example, when you take 3 and 5. So what is the difference? 3 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. So what is the difference between 3 and 5? It's a 2, right? 4, 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So numbers that have the difference of 2, so this pair we called it as a twin prime. And here also you can check 5 and 7, 8, 6, 7, 2 is the difference. But when you will check now, 2 and 3, even 2 and 3 are prime numbers, but here difference is 1. So it will not be a twin prime. Like that, numbers that have a difference of 2 are twin primes. And one more term, co-primes. Co-primes is nothing but co-primes are the two numbers having only one as a common factor. Here when you will write now for the 3 and 5, so 1 as a common factor, there is no other common factor other than 1, right? So this pair is a co-primes. Okay, so like more examples are there. So this is all about prime numbers, composite numbers, and twin primes and co-primes. Okay, write it down in your class work note, these 4 definitions, and also this one you just try in your rough note also, this method, and find the prime numbers and composite numbers from 1 to 100. Thank you, students.